Good morning, boys and girls. For math today, we are focusing on 3D shapes. Remember, that is a shape that I can't pick up off the paper. Well, 2D shape, sorry, is one I can't pick up off the paper. But a 3D shape is one I can hold in my hand. This is a sphere, remember? I can hold it, but I can't pick up a circle. That's a flat shape. This is a solid shape. Okay, we're gonna review really quickly the different shapes, okay? This shape is a sphere. Everyone say sphere. Good. This is a cone. Can you say cone? Cone. This is a cube. Can you say cube? Good. And this is a cylinder. Everyone say cylinder. One more time, cylinder. Good. Now, I want you to stand up. We're going to play a game, okay? You're going to imagine that I am a big giant and I'm gonna take you and stuff you inside one of these shapes, okay? So, let's start with the sphere. And I want you to get down and pretend like you're inside the sphere, okay? All right, so right now, get into a sphere shape. Can you make your body into a sphere shape? Can you do it? Can you make yourself round and spherical? Can you do it? Did you get down into a little ball? Hug your knees and tuck your head in? How does that feel being in a sphere? I don't think I'd like it very much. It's too round. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna try another shape now. Go ahead and stand up. We're gonna try a cylinder. Now a cylinder is flat on the top and flat on the bottom, but it's rounded on the edges. There's no sharp edges. Do you think you can get yourself into a cylinder shape? How could I do that? Well, it would be nice to sit because there's a flat bottom, so you can sit crisscross applesauce. But then think that there's something flat right on top of you. There's a ceiling right here, and the walls are rounded. How do you think that would feel? Better than the sphere, but maybe not so great. All right, we're gonna try a cone shape, okay? Now all I have is a carrot, but you can imagine a cone shape is flat on the bottom, so you can still sit crisscross applesauce, okay? We're gonna pretend like we're in it upside down. So you can sit on the bottom because it's flat, but then it comes up to this point. All the sides are rounded like that cylinder, but they come up to a point. How do you feel inside the cone? Not so great, huh? All right, let's try the next one, a cube. Now a cube is flat on all sides. So you can sit crisscross applesauce. Go ahead, get down, sit crisscross applesauce. And then you have sides, walls right next to you, a wall behind you, and a wall on top. I don't know, this might be my best choice. Okay, stand up. All right, for today's math lesson, we're gonna make a chart of things that are different shapes. But what I'm actually gonna do is do it during the live with you guys because I want your input. So we're gonna make a cone poster, things that we have around our house that are cones, things that are cubes, things that are cylinders, and things that are spheres, okay? So just be thinking in your head because during our live, every morning, we're gonna add to them and make one giant poster. It'll be really cool, okay? So your math lesson today, you have 2 choices of shape worksheets to go through, okay? 2 choices of shapes. This one is a color by shape, okay? So it says all your spheres need to be red. Spheres need to be red. Cylinders need to be blue. Cones need to be yellow. Cubes need to be yellow and cones need to be green. So then you gotta look at these real life shapes and figure out what shape is it? And then you gotta color it for me, okay? So that's a color by shape, okay? Or you could do this one. This is a spin and color. So you need your paper clip and your pencil, okay? Remember how to do that? Put your paper clip down, spin the pencil. If it points to a sphere, you find one and you color it. Then you spin again and it points to the cube. You find a cube and color it. Okay? So you have 2 choices for worksheets today. If you really want to do both, you can do both. That's cool too. Okay, do one of those for me. And then I have, I know there's a woodpecker outside my window. There are some other choices that you guys can choose for review. Quiet, I'm doing my video, quiet. So one is to play bingo. Raise your hand if you've ever played bingo before. Yeah, it's super fun. So there's 2 bingo cards. They're big, okay? There's 2 different ones. So you're gonna have one. Okay, I'm gonna turn my thing down a little bit so you guys can see. You're gonna have a bingo card and you're gonna have a pile of cards right here. These came in the pile too. Turn them over and it's 10 frames. So you have to figure out how many this is. 10, 11, 12, 13, okay? So then I gotta find 13. Oh, I have one right here. And you can cover it up. Okay? Then when you get 5 in a row, you get bingo.
Hey, that's bingo.
That's a free space. Everyone gets that one, okay? So this is a bingo game that you can play with mom and dad. Another choice of worksheet is this one right here. Remember we talked about this one yesterday. Each day you're gonna learn something new. Go please. You're gonna learn a new number. So today's number is 11. So you're gonna write the number 11. Okay, practice writing your ones straight, top to bottom. You're gonna find the 11 and color it in for me. Okay, 10 and what makes 11? How many more do I need from 10 to make 11? Right, 1 more, so I'm gonna put a number 1 in there. So 10 and 1 make 11, okay? Then I wanna color in 11 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I already know that because it's a 10 frame. And then 1 more makes 11. Okay? And then you're going to rainbow write your number 11 for me. That's one choice. And again, this is review, so you don't have to do these, but they are a good review for you, okay? And then this is just like that spinning game we played yesterday, the before and after. So they give you a number. You have to put what comes before and what comes after. So 10 is our number. What comes right before 10? 1 less than 10 is 9. Use a number line for this if you need to, okay? What comes after 10? 11. Good. Let's jump down here to 14. What comes before 14? 13. And what comes after 14? 15. Good. Awesome, guys. So this is your choice worksheet. This is a choice worksheet. Even bingo is a choice. You don't have to play bingo today, okay? The one thing I want you guys to do is pick one of the 2 shape games and do those for me. Worksheets, okay? Alrighty, that's it for today. Have fun with those 3D shapes.